Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and input. First, check that the monitor LED is on. That tells you the unit has power. Once done, use a direct wake signal, press any key, click the mouse, or tap the monitor power button briefly. You do this because many monitors enter a low power state that only responds to a hardware wake. Make sure cables are secure. Loose HDMI or display port often look like sleep rather than a true power loss. Once you can wake the monitor with a button, make system changes so it stays responsive. You should open power settings and temporarily set display sleep longer or to never for testing, because the OS can put screens to sleep. Next, enable wake options in Device Manager for keyboard and mouse so those devices can send wake signals. Also update the graphics and monitor drivers. Outdated drivers can prevent wake commands from propagating. If necessary, swap cables to rule out a faulty connector. To finish, perform a controlled power cycle. Turn off the monitor, shut down the PC, unplug the monitor for 10 to 20 seconds, then reconnect and power on. You do this to clear any stuck firmware state. If the problem persists, test the monitor with another device to see whether the issue is the monitor or the PC. Make sure to try a different cable or input port before replacing hardware. Often a bad cable mimics permanent sleep, and swapping it fixes the problem immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.